Another quite common feature in pyspark is reading using wildcards, using patterns. For it, it's very useful to create a schema. Let's use the same structure. Okay, and let's create our files here in our Ubuntu. Okay, let's do it from Ubuntu itself. We need to create let's create a new directory and move for it, and let's create names 1.csv, and we put header, okay, let's save, and let's create a new file called names2.csv and put header, okay, and we're going to read it. Okay, it's thinking about as a Ubuntu environment. Okay, so it's much clear thinking about. You usually use wildcards to see, or you need to catch some information. So you could use like this. So you're going to retrieve all informations from files that ends with CSV, or you can use names that ends with wherever you need. You're going to take the return of the same informations. The idea is the same, okay, in pyspark, with difference, of course. You're going to retrieve the header from each of these different files. So let's create our data frame. We are reading CSV format, okay, CSV, and we're going to pass the option from header through, and the schema equals a schema and load. We're going to load from our this directory. Okay, we're going to take, using the same principle that I just showed you guys, everything that ends with CSV. Okay, that's what we're going to do. You were able to see that we're going to retrieve both files. Okay, we have both informations retrieved. We just set header for each of one of them. Okay, we have some difference in header because we have space, okay, around where we shouldn't have, but it handles it greatly, as you can see. But you got a information here that you have a space, or in your file, or you have a asterisk space here. Let's figure it out. Where is our directory names? I have a space here in the difference. Okay, saving, just for not complaining. If you're going to read this information from the system, probably the system is going to send you in every iteration the same structure about header. If you're going to receive a header, you didn't receive, as you can see, this previous warning. Okay, and let's say that we have here in this directory a new file called names one.cs.text, sorry, and it has the same structure of the CSV file. What's going to happen? Let's just take a different information from here, okay, just to elaborate it better. I'm asking for pyspark just read everything that ends with CSV. So we should continue to just retrieve 2 rows, as you can see, 2 rows. But let's say that I change from the starting pattern in the start. Okay, names dot everything that starts with names and ends with whatever. So we should retrieve 3 lines. Okay, we're probably going to just we're going to retrieve 3. Okay, it's okay because we have header in all of them. They have the same structure, so it works well, quite well. Okay, the next thing we're going to see is a new directory. So let's give this name dir2. Okay, and let's change a bit for dir2 each of these informations here. Save dir2 just to be, and dir2. Okay, we are going to see now how to read from different directories. Okay, passing a pattern as CSV. We need to put inside like a list in Python, separated by comma. Okay, so we pass the full path with the difference that we need. We have dir2, as you can see, and the pattern that we want to retrieve, surrounding by this sign like a list in Python, separated by comma. So now, as you can see, we have retrieved information from dir2 and this ones that don't have this information here in front of. Let's put names star. I'm going to take also the txt file, and we're going to take 2 more rows. Okay, it's working well, nicely working. We didn't get this one. Why? Okay, so okay, it's retrieved there. So why not? Let's debug it. Have do1, do2, do2. Okay. So now we retrieve information from 2 different directories. We didn't get the first one because we didn't change the pattern in the first one, just in the second one. As you can see, you are able to see in this moment that you can pass different patterns to different directories when you're reading more than one directory. So it's okay. And you can pass more than 2 or whatever you need to pass. Okay, that is from today. It's a great class reading from multiple directories. Next class we're going to talk about more complicated subjects. I hope you guys are enjoying so far. So see you next.